much, Eric and TVIA. We are so grateful for this generosity. We literally had ran out of children's books in our library, and we planted this library in November in honor of our CFO and co-founder Kathleen Hoff. It's been such a blessing, and the library has been full and empty many times. And right now is going to be the first time in about a month that we're going to have have children's books, all because of you. So thank you.
You're very
so
welcome.
much. Yay. Thank you, Eric. You want to say anything, Dee?
Just hi everyone. We're so appreciative for our TVIA volunteers. We just love them so much, and I know that they submitted Reading with Autism Tree videos to us as well, and we just love seeing their smiling faces on our social media channels and YouTube. Please follow us, and if you are interested, you can pick up one of these books and read a children's book to our kids. Thanks everyone.